This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Ein from Aphmau in Brookhaven. First, launch the game and navigate to the avatar editor. This is where all the magic happens. You'll want to select a male avatar base as your starting point. Then, adjust the skin tone to a light gray or pale white. This crucial step immediately sets the foundation for Ein's unique appearance, giving him that recognizable, slightly eerie pallor. It's a simple, yet effective way to begin your character creation journey. Next, let's focus on Ein's distinctive hair and facial features. For his hair, look for a shaggy, dark gray or black style that naturally falls over one eye, mimicking his iconic look. Then, move on to his eyes. You'll want to select sharp, amber or yellow eyes to truly capture his intense and often cunning gaze. Finally, choose a subtle, slightly downturned mouth to convey his characteristic, somewhat brooding expression. These details are key to making your Ein instantly recognizable. Now, let's dress your Ein in his signature outfit. Start by equipping a dark, long-sleeved shirt. Black or a deep gray works best to match his usual attire. Pair this with dark trousers or jeans to maintain a consistent and somewhat somber color scheme throughout his look. If the avatar editor offers it, consider adding a dark, simple jacket or hoodie for an extra layer. This helps complete his characteristic style, making him look ready for any situation in Brookhaven. Finally, it's time to put the finishing touches on your Ein avatar. Take a moment to review all the elements you've chosen, from his skin tone and hair to his eyes and clothing. Ensure they accurately represent Ein's distinct appearance from Aphmau's series. Make any minor adjustments to colors or styles if needed to achieve perfection. Once you're satisfied with your creation, save your new Ein avatar. You're now ready to explore Brookhaven as this iconic character.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.